Ha ha ha. Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody's doing well out there. With this coronavirus virus going on and everything. Well, I thought I would try to pick a. This is a wow. This is a Master 570. Now, from what I understand, these locks are pretty. They have some pretty good bitting. There is 5 pins. It's a pretty smooth lock. This is one of those little bitty picks that I made here. A while back. Pretty intense, huh? Let's see if we can fool this camera. There you go. We got it fooled. Anyway, I've wasted 2 minutes flapping my lips. Let's see if we can take this little bitty pick. It ain't, like the entire pick is 3 inches. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to take this pick. Let's see here if we could. Yeah, we'll just leave it normal. Let's see if we can actually pick this lock. I was hoping for a longer pick. Yeah, I was hoping for a longer pick. And I have found some master locks that were pretty fun to pick. And what gets me is my little itty bitty old pick did it. This wood right here is apple tree. And this plug here that goes all the way through is a part of an apple tree little limb. And it's a pretty good little pick. I mean, it's something that you would put like in your backpack or something, kind of tape it to a tension tool or something and put it like in your sleeve, or hide it away. Anyway, I don't have any subscribers to my channel yet. That's okay. I'm just having fun messing around with this stuff. And just taking it easy. Please leave a comment, and if you think about it, please subscribe. Talk to you guys later.